Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and useful trick to import all projects from older Anypoint Studio workspace into your current workspace in just few steps. We often maintain different workspaces for different versions of Anypoint Studio, but sometimes switching back to older workspaces fails or become inconvenient. Instead of switching workspaces, we can import all projects directly into the current workspace. Now in Anypoint Studio, go to the file, then click on import. Under general, choose existing projects into workspace and click next. Now browse and select your workspace old folder where your projects are stored. You will see all projects listed automatically. Click finish to import them. And just like that, all your projects are now available in your current workspace. This is really useful when switching workspaces doesn't work or when consolidating projects. Additionally, it will also update your project configuration files to support the latest runtime of your Anypoint Studio. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching.